Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll begin in Settings or Control Center. Open Focus now so you can act immediately. Tap an existing focus or the plus button to create one because presets save time and consistency. Once you've selected a focus, toggle it on to Test. This immediately suppresses notifications based on current rules. As you proceed, choose whether this focus applies across devices. Making it universal keeps behavior consistent, but now you'll define who and what can interrupt you, which is crucial for usefulness. Tap People to add contacts who can bypass the focus, and then add apps that must still notify you. This keeps critical alerts coming while blocking noise. Next, choose Automation under Add Schedule to run this focus at times, locations, or when using an app. Doing this makes the focus context-aware, so it activates only when you need it and reduces manual switching. Finish by tailoring visibility. Set focus status to share your status with apps and choose home screen pages to hide distracting apps. Test the focus immediately, trigger the schedule or manual toggle, then have someone message you or open an allowed app to confirm behavior. If it fails, make sure Focus Sync is enabled in Settings, verify Do Not Disturb isn't overriding, and check app-specific notification permissions. If problems persist, toggle the focus off and on, or restart your iPhone to reset background services.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.